I'd say that's all of it right there. Welcome to the OK Woodsman channel. My name is Joe, and I'm gonna try to answer the question, how much work can you get done on a single battery, and is it a real tool? This saw right here has about half a battery left. I don't know if it's at 45% or at 60%, I don't know. But what I can tell you is this. I just cut all these trees out in here, and I have a couple dead trees right here that I'm not going to use for anything because they've been standing dead for a long time, and our pine gets pretty infested with bugs. So I'm not interested in firewood or anything out of it like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically cut the remainder of this battery and see how many more cuts, and I'll go ahead and just kind of pan around and show you everything else I did. I walked back up a hill, looked out, and saw I forgot to cut this one dead pine. So I'm gonna real quickly use my 2511 to go cut that up, and I'll just process it real quickly and splice it into the video where I run the electric saw for most of the time. So this is cold. This has got the nano chain on it. We're on choke. Okay, cool. Phew, that's nice. Oh, I've got that dead tree too, so I'll just finish up these two and we'll get them done. Another dead tree. We'll put it right in there. Thank you, bud. All right. There you are. I must say, two-stroke was a lot of fun to run. That's all it's to it. Ooh, my wife made me something to eat. Watch the previous video where I said I'm gonna work all day with an electric saw, and it's kind of facetious because, man, you get people saying that if it's not a 70cc saw, it's not worth it. You know, try doing that for 10 hours. Not every job is a 10-hour job. That's all it's to it. I own 12 acres and I'm not cutting every sink. Dang it, man, these horse flies are getting me. And I am not about to cut every time for 10 hours straight with my chainsaws. I would have no trees left. Previous video I showed felling this stuff through here, bucking them around 8 foot, went all the way down, limbed them out. It's not a tremendous amount of work, but I certainly wouldn't want to do it with an axe or a handsaw. I'm going to do right now, let's go ahead and get zoomed in on this piece of wood here. All right, we're going to go ahead and get to town cutting. Like I said, we are at about half battery. I'm just going to cut repeatedly until this thing's done. Another horsefly. Well, I'm down to 1 bar here. It's definitely gone into limp mode. say that's it. Oh no. Yeah, I'd say that's all of it right there. To go further would be just saying, let's go a little bit further than the battery wants to. Let's get this one last cookie. There it is. All right, let's go ahead and put these here. Oh, shoot, I wanted to cut this off flat. Come on now. Let's finish up this one thing. That's not real good for the battery. There it is. All right, that's what I wanted though. So the apparent disadvantage to battery is that I can't just put some fuel in it and finish that cut, right? But what we're doing is we're seeing what we've got here, how many cuts I made after I did all my work for the day. This is small wood, but I feel like that's what this saw's for. Small wood, right? Shoot. All you can get with one battery, that's only a 2.5 amp hour battery on the battery powered Echo. Y'all, I came out here and I'm satisfied with what I was able to do. Would I come out with only that saw if I intended on working the entire day, keeping 5 men busy? Absolutely not. Wrong tool for the job. Just like you wouldn't come out with a compact tractor to move 1,000 loads of material. You'd use dozers and excavators. You wouldn't use a compact tractor. Everybody, you could see the inherent flaw with battery. Of course, if that's the only battery I had and all the grid was off, everything was messed up and I drove 5 hours out to come and do a job. If I came with one battery, that's all I could accomplish. The beauty is I'm gonna go home right now on the same property, take a shower, pull the footage off, get into the air conditioning. This battery will be on the charger, and if I need to drive 5 hours away and go cut wood for 2 days straight, 20, 30 hours, I have the saws to do that too. Thank you for watching the Okie Woodsman channel. I hope you understand what I'm saying, and I'll see you on the next one.